Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and today it's been a long over 2.5 months since I made a fire alarm test video, and actually made a video about 2 months ago. So I know it's been a long break for me. Well, I just haven't had the motivation to make any videos because I'm working 2 jobs now, and I've been busy a lot and I've been tired a lot lately. So hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving, and I'm hoping you guys will enjoy this video. And today we're going to be testing another LED remote strobe. Now this is almost the same LED strobe that I had on my other one, which is the horn strobe version, but this is the strobe only version. And if you take a look at the back, the model number is GL1WF-VMC. So anyways, this is an Edwards device. I don't know if you could see it, but here's the model number. It's ULC listed. Actually, no, it's UL listed, excuse me. This is an Edwards device. So this is a GL1WF VMC. The other one is a GL1WF HD VMC, which is the horn strobe version. So, and right here is your Candela selection slot. I don't know if you could see it, but this is the Candela selection switch. If this were to be a horn strobe version, the horn strobe circuit switch would be right here, but this does not have a horn. There's no horn inside this one. So anyways, that's basically all it is. You know what? Let's open it up and let's see what is inside. If I can get this off. There it goes. As you can see, the inside of this one is black. And this is where the horn would be if this were to be a horn strobe version. And that little dot right in behind this lens here, the amplifier, that's the actual light itself. That's the strobe. And let's go ahead and put this back together. And this is where you insert your power cable if you want to use it on an actual fire alarm system. It's 24 volts DC, and this is an LED strobe. So this is going to be my second time operating an LED strobe. Well, I've got this device not too long ago. So anyways, let's go ahead and give it a test. Okay, now we're going to test the alarm itself. So, and besides, with an LED strobe, it's going to have a little bit of a longer flash as usual. So, if you guys love these fire alarm tests, and just to let you know, I'm going to let you know ahead of time, fire alarm test 50, I have a big surprise for you guys. Once we make it to 50. This is fire alarm test 49. So anyways, are you guys ready for this thing to flash? Let's see it in action. So let's go ahead and plug in the power in 3, 2, 1. Man, that's really whitish blue in person, pretty much. But on the camera, the camera's picking it up like extra blue and stuff like that. And it's been really cool. And it's set for 15 Candela. let's turn off the lights. As you could tell, it is very, very quiet. And I don't hear any capacitor at all. No buzzing and no squealing and no high-pitched noises. Because this is just an LED strobe. Okay, enough with the moment of silence. We're going to turn the lights back on. And the camera lost the focus. Come on, camera. Okay, let's unplug the power so it can turn off. Okay, we're going on to the pull station part of the test. And for the pull station part of the test, we're going to be using my Firelight BG12L. And this is the new one that I recently got from Christmas last year, because the other one, the wire terminals were busted and all that stuff. So this is basically the new one, and it also came with a key. So anyways, let's activate it. 3, 2, 1. That looks really cool.
Joey, they're making fun of your ringtone. They're making fun of your Samsung thing.
Now let's reset the pull station.
Why?
And this thing doesn't want to stand up. Let's give it one more pull. Push in, pull down. I was skeptical to be going to use one of my Edwards pull station, but I just figured I would do a newer pull station for this test. Let's reset the pull station. With this pull station, you don't have to flip the switch up, you can just open it and close it. Well, I hope you enjoyed fire alarm test number 49 and a second LED strobe. So anyways guys, this is fire alarm test number 49, and hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. And I know Thanksgiving is in the past now, and we're coming up on the Christmas holiday. So anyways guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video after a 2-month break, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And again, this is fire alarm test number 49. Fire alarm test 50 will be coming up soon, and it's going to be the big one. So anyways, I have something special for fire alarm test 50. So anyways, guys, if you all enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all so much, and thank you for watching.